Hey guys, today we are going on a little quest. We're gonna get some food. We gotta get the car cleaned out from camping stuff because it's a little bit sandy in there, and I don't want to be tracking that in the house and everything. We have a freaky weather in January. It's hot one day, cold the next. It's always cold at night. You could be in short sleeves if you wanted. I think this jacket is kind of extra, but it looks cool. This is my Focus tee. You can get this at 2 a.m. Hustle. It'll never fade. So, let's go get some food. I'm glad y'all came. Okay, we slipped outside to the ride. Big Cadillac, get inside. Rings don't come with the bride. Touch both thighs in the vibe. Face so fine that she mine. Trout getting the line, I decline. Show you what I'm about, I ain't lying. John cost me $9.99. Wrist costs a whole lot of shit. A meal cost me $4.56. They gon' say I can keep a hold. Look, I don't play. I just let them go, cause they gon' do what they wanna do. Like a come through hairdo, but you can't too, like. Pulled up to the Subway, gonna get me a sandwich. That's my song for y'all. Hope you like it. Oh man, I'm digging this Silverado. Racing stripes on that thing. I like red cars. I'm not supposed to get a red car because it's bad luck for me.
Oh, no.
How you doing, brother? But I like red cars. How you doing, man?
You know you can't clock in early.
No,
Like I'm saying, you know you can't clock in early. And you have to jump up and help them.
yeah, I always do it off the clock anyway when I'm
And then we, like you have to take 10 minutes and wait 10 minutes to clear. Then clock back in when it's time and just sit down.
Yeah. I always do that. I always help off the clock. Is Miss Sarah, did you off the clock? I seen that.
I don't see it.
You okay?
Yeah, I did the same thing at home last night.
Oh, boy.
Well, I reached down to get the paper towels at the house in my bedroom, and somehow or another I just failed.
How you doing today? Good. I'd like to get the 6-inch Philly Italian herbs and cheese, please. Actually, I'll go for the foot long.
What now?
I'll do the foot long Philly.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's on there, right? All right, y'all. We secured some delicious Subway, and I am going to have some lunch, and then we're gonna hit up this car wash that I've always wanted to go to. But it's a little ways away, so we're doing some micro traveling in town. I'm gonna eat, and I'll bring y'all back when we're on our way to the car wash. All right, peace. Let me tell you, that Philly with 4 eggs was the worst foot long that I've ever had in my life. I mean, I couldn't even eat it. Oh. I think I hurt myself. But the show must go on. There's a lot of birds out here. I don't have any food for you, bro. Did you just... Doug, 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 Doug. Y'all just gonna have to bear with the vocals today. Highway driving. Highway driving. I didn't. That's not the note. Oh my God. Land Rover. Oh my God. We'll see y'all when we get there. Tommy's Express. I don't know why I'm so hyped. Doesn't that look fun? We're gonna see what that's about. Yeah. Alright. So I don't know what we should get. Alright, we are pulling up to the wash now. Gotta get the gotta make sure I put the car in neutral. Alright, we all ready with the soaps. It's gonna be fast. Yeah, they're patting us down. That looked like that was coming right for the car. I don't know, is that consensual? Wind tunnel, make sure that we're in neutral, no brake, y'all. We're doing the right thing. The wind tunnel. It tells you to relax. And now we go. So that was kind of intense. We're gonna pull off and see how we did. This is AutoZone right next to us, so we can pull into this driveway and see how the car did. Make sure we're in the sunlight. Yeah, this is a good place. Let's check this out. Not bad for a first wash. Looking good, Junie. Inside is a different story, but we're gonna get this cleared out too. Yeah, I always wanted to go to that car wash. Like, it's probably been here for 4 years, maybe more. I drive by it all the time, and I just do that. But I'm glad y'all got to experience it with me. If I had to scale it on a, if I had to put it on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a solid 7 for what I got. We'll go back and get the full package pretty soon, but it could use lights. Lights would be my critique. It has a lot of soap, a lot of sound, a lot of movement, but it's really fast, and it could use lights, I think. And if they slowed it down, that'd be dope. But that's just my critique. Solid 7. And look, y'all, that experience only cost me $12. I can't tell you money well spent, but it was fun. So, we're gonna go with that. I love it when we're cruising together. Music is made for love. I actually listen to music in the car sometimes. I just don't want to get copyrighted. I love it when we're cruising together. So you're gonna have to deal with my versions